Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by checking basics but skip obvious setup. Grab a small Phillips, spudger, magnifier, and a multimeter so you can diagnose properly. Once done, power off the headset and disconnect it. Try an alternate USB port or phone to confirm the fault is in the headset, not the source. Make sure to note your model and warranty status because some fixes void warranty. Begin inspecting the headband, ear cup seams, and cable entry point for visible damage before opening anything. You now move into the detailed work. Remove the ear cup cover carefully and keep screws organized so reassembly is painless. Once inside, visually inspect solder joints and connectors. Use your multimeter to test speaker and microphone continuity because that tells you whether the wire or driver failed. If a wire is broken at the entry, strip and resolder the conductor, or replace the inline cable entirely. Make sure to add heat shrink or strong strain relief, where the cable meets the housing so that you finish by reassembling the headset in reverse order, tightening screws snugly but not over-tightening, and restoring any padding. Once assembled, connect and install any Hyperx drivers or firmware updates. Run an audio test and a microphone recording to confirm both playback and capture work. If you still have issues, try a USB adapter or an external mic to isolate the onboard hardware. Troubleshooting tip: if intermittent audio persists, wiggle the cable while testing. Intermittent faults often show up immediately and reveal the
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.